As educators, it is our responsibility to make effective use of digital technology to deliver high-quality teaching, engaging learning, and effective assessment. Enhancing our knowledge and skills in order to develop learning, teaching, and assessment strategies using digital technology can offer a more enhanced experience for both teachers and learners in the classroom. From moving on from mirroring an iPad with a worksheet that is then printed out and handed physically to pupils, we can actually look at creating media-rich content that meets the learning intentions of our planning, content, delivery, and assessment. It all starts with why. Why are we doing this? How are we going to share it? What are we going to share? And how do we then effectively feedback on what has been delivered? Start with the planning. Think about what you want the students to learn. Not just a PowerPoint lesson, but what are they using it for? What content, what knowledge are they sharing? We sometimes spend a lot of time scouring websites and resources, when really we can develop our skills to create our own media-rich resource that meets the individual needs of the learners within our class. Collaborating with colleagues makes this easier to develop a holistic approach to learning and teaching in the school. Giving our students the opportunity to create content in a way that makes sense to them means that you might get variable pieces of knowledge and content in, but it is relevant. It matches the individual learner's needs, and it gives you the opportunity to ask yourself, well, how did they actually meet that learning intention? How did they meet the success criteria? What knowledge did they share? Using technology, using platforms such as Teams, using things like Google Classroom, we can easily get that content in to make our assessment and feedback easier to match the individual learning criteria of each lesson. It means we have a better idea of what the learner has achieved. We can give that assessment, we can give that feedback, we can give them opportunities to grow. In the 4-part learning course, This is Digital, we explore each of these themes in more detail. Visit DigiLearnScott for more information.